What's up, guys? It's Dave Marshall with the RC Air Marshal YouTube channel. 2020's been a heck of a roller coaster ride for all of us, but somehow we've made it through to the end of the year. Christmas is only a week away, and 2021 will be here in just 2 more weeks. We've only started this little YouTube adventure about a year ago, and we've hit a couple of really important milestones that I wanted to share with you guys. This coming Monday, December 21st, is our 52nd episode of our weekly Air Marshal Mondays live stream. That just seems crazy, but yes, we've aired an entire year of weekly episodes. So, number one, it's our 1-year anniversary on the channel, which is super cool. The other important milestone is we just passed our 2,000 subscriber point over these past couple of days. And that is absolutely amazing. In our small world of RC YouTube channels, I'm thrilled to be able to share my passion for RC with every single person that subscribed to the channel so far. And we thank you so much for tuning in. To celebrate the holiday season, as well as our channel anniversary and 2,000 subscriber milestones, we're going to be doing a really special anniversary and Christmas edition of Air Marshal Monday, this Monday, December 21st. As many longtime subscribers know, a huge part of the growth of our channel has been due to the massively popular programming series that I created for the Spektrum AR636 and AR637T receivers. I'm delighted to share with you guys that we're going to be joined by a very special guest, Tom Cogswell from Spektrum, to help us celebrate our first year on YouTube. We'll also be doing a great giveaway that includes a lot of really cool prizes, which include a Spektrum 4S Smart Upgrade package, and that includes an AR630 receiver, an Avian 60 amp Smart ESC, and a 4S 3200 milliamp hour 100C Smart Pack. We've also got a Spektrum S150 Smart Charger up for grabs, several gift certificates, some merchandise from several of our fellow YouTube channels, including this one-day discount codes, and a whole lot more. If you'd like to sponsor a prize for the giveaway, please send an email to rcairmarshal@gmail.com and let me know what you'd like to throw into the prize pool. To be eligible for the drawing, you must be a subscriber to the channel, and you need to send me an email to rcairmarshal@gmail.com to get placed on the prize wheel. Simply send an email to rcairmarshal@gmail.com with the subject as giveaway and your YouTube name in the body of the email. If you don't send an email, your name's not going to get on the wheel, so get those emails in so I can get you added. You only need to send one email, so if you've already sent one, you are good to go. The cutoff for email submissions will be Monday, December 21st, so this coming Monday at noon. You will need to be present during the show to win, so be sure to tune in for our 1-year anniversary 2,000 subscriber holiday special live right here on the RC Air Marshal YouTube channel from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time, this coming Monday, December 21st, 2020. You want to make sure that your name is already on the wheel? Stick around after this announcement, and I will have all the names that are already on the wheel at the end of the video in alphabetical order, scrolling to some of my favorite music. Guys, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be sure to share this video so we can get the word out on how to enter the prize drawing. Thank you guys so much for the support that you've shown over this past year, and we'll see you all on Monday night to celebrate our big 1-year anniversary. Now let's roll the names of everybody who's already entered into the drawing.